Hi guys, postman's bin, 2 bags. I want to open them straight away because I'm actually off on holiday for a week and I want to check what's in them. By the time you see the video I'll probably be back from holiday. But this one, well, it actually tells us, where were we? Drone propellers. So this will be my replacement propellers for the Hubsan. They won't be genuine Hubsan parts, they'll be the cheap ones that we can get on eBay. Okay, well they look about right, don't they? Don't know how many sets it was. Looks like about 5 sets, doesn't it? Okay, so 5 sets of propellers for the Hubsan. Nothing else in there. And then this one I wanted to open because it made me laugh a bit, really. You may know that I've been buying new action cameras because I had 2 EvoDX cameras that I love. I bought them from 7 Day Shop last year, and one of them died just before the 12 months warranty was up. So I contacted them and they agreed that I could send it back, and I've been refunded the £36.99 it cost a year ago, but they're no longer available. So I've been trying different types of action camera. I had a Apex cam, which was pretty awful. I'm currently testing a what is it called? Dragon Touch Vision 3 action camera, which initially I thought was fairly good, but I'm beginning to lose patience with it. One thing I didn't notice initially is it only records in mono, not stereo, and the microphone's particularly sensitive is the word I'm trying to think of, and everything's incredibly loud on it. On the previous one, the Apex cam, everything was incredibly quiet, even though I went into the settings and turned it up. On the Dragon Touch, there doesn't seem to be a setting for adjusting the volume recording, so it's just too loud all the time and I have to edit it down each time. So, in despair, I looked on eBay to see if anybody was selling any second-hand EvoDX cameras. And lo and behold, 7 Day Shop had 2 end of range or end of stock. So unused, unopened, and they were selling them off for £19.99. Now I was very tempted to buy 2, but I only bought 1. I'll probably regret that. I probably should have bought both the ones they had available at that price, because at £19.99 that would have been 2 for the price that I paid for the Dragon Touch, whatever it is that I'm currently using and not liking. So, enough waffling. Let's see if we can open it without ripping everything apart. Here we are, an EvoDX action camera, Wi-Fi, waterproof to 30 meters, a little bit crushed in the box from the looks of it. Please fully charge battery before use. It says new and unused. Looks like all the bits are there. I think somebody might have taken it out of the bag and returned it, because that should be in one of the plastic bags, I think. Well, it looks like all the bits that I want are there anyway. We've got the charger, USB lead, I think there should have been two batteries. I don't see any batteries at the moment. There should be one in there, and I'm pretty sure they should have come with 2 batteries. Oh, let's just see if it turns on anyway. Yeah, so it has a little bit of charge in it already. So this has either been a demo one, it's virtually full charge on it. It's either been a demo one or somebody's returned it because they didn't like it. Although it does look perfect, so I think it might have just been a demonstration model. Right, so I must have another micro SD card somewhere, but I think I'll be happy with this as long as it lasts. Although, as I say, I'm pretty sure they should have come with 2 batteries. Yeah, it's not a problem, because if you've watched my last Grandad's Postbag video, you know I've just received 2 more batteries anyway, and a charger, because I ordered them. Anyway, Grandad is happy at this moment in time. I'll take that with me on holiday and we can check whether it works, if I can find another SD card, which I'm pretty sure I've got.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.